Hi boys and girls, welcome to week 3 of your virtual learning math vocabulary. I would like to walk you through your lesson for today. The first thing I would like for you to do is watch this video. So you're doing the right thing if you're watching this video. Then I would like for you to study the PowerPoint, and I'm going to be going through this PowerPoint with you here in just a minute. And then after you're finished and you feel comfortable about your vocabulary words, then go ahead and go take the vocabulary quiz on forms. And then when you're finished with that, if you have extra time and you would like to do the optional activities, there are 2 listed in the back of the PowerPoint. All right, so let's go through your PowerPoint. The first thing that I want to show you is your I can statement. So this week we want you to show understanding of your math vocabulary that relates to order of operations and solving equations. And there are the 2 TEKS that you will be studying this week in your lessons on Wednesday and Thursday, and then taking a quiz on Friday. So here are your vocabulary words for this week: order of operations, brackets, parentheses, expression, simplify when it's talking about an expression, and equivalent expression. So if you would go through your PowerPoint and study each one of these, some of them have links, like your first one for order of operations has a PEMDAS video for you I think you'll enjoy. So if you'll go listen to that and then keep going on, and you will see examples for each of your vocabulary words. And then when you get to the end, there are your optional activities. So if you have time, you can go look at these. All right, so I hope you have a great day. And if you have any questions, be sure and ask your teachers. Thank you.